Welcome back, or welcome to My Curly Girls and Me. I am your host today, NaTasha, and I would like to ask all of you who are subscribed and who haven't subscribed yet to make sure your bell is turned on for notifications. Smells very perfumey. Feels very good going on. Oh wow, it's like silk. I've used this much. I used it down to here on Deja's hair. I really packed it on when I used it on her hair. And also on Deja's hair, we didn't use a leave-in. She usually leaves a little bit of her rinse out conditioner in her hair, and that's how she likes it. And I applied it to semi-wet hair. I don't know if it's because of the kinky curly knot today, but it has this like, yeah. I don't remember that sound when I did it on Deja's hair. I think it's because of the kinky curly knot today, because that one can be foamy, and so it has that foamy sound and feel, but I like it together like that. So we'll see how it dries. Hopefully it don't flake up on me. My hair is very well detangled before I started. After I shampooed it, I cleansed my hair, made sure my hair was very clean. I always like to do that when I'm trying new products. If I want to get a good wash and go anyway, I need to start off on clean hair. The way it applies and where it clumps the curls is nice. I'm tired of these hair products giving me false hope though. You know, the process, the application process be the bomb, and then when it dries it all goes to you know what. This natural hair product finding is a struggle. Uncle Funky's daughter Curly Magic been acting funny lately. My hair, I don't know what's up with it. Maybe I'm gonna have to create my own products. And then the kinky curly knot today is like, it's not the most moisturizing, but I like it because it's very detangling and it don't dry our hair out. I think that's one of those ones that'll always be around. It's like a natural hair staple because it was there from the beginning and all the rave it got. And I remember when I first went on YouTube back when I first went natural, it was like kinky curly knot today was everywhere. People was using it and changing, you know, adding stuff to it, making their own little leave-ins and custards and stuff like that. It's just one of those ones that I just always go back to. It's like I don't love it and I don't hate it. It's like, but I just keep it around. I have to keep it around. Weird, I know. Okay, it's all applied now. And I picked this up at my local beauty store, and I only got the small container because I wanted to try it out first. Oh, y'all, my hair is like thin right here, right in here, because my edges at postpartum just snatched them, and my hair was just in the worst shape ever after this last baby, my 15-month-old. It looked so good while I was pregnant, but afterwards, it did a number on my hair. I was thinking about just chopping it all off and starting over again. 75% dry. My ends, all of my ends are dry. It's here, this section, which is always my last section to dry for the most part. But all the ends are dry. It feels very nice. It has hold, but it don't feel crunchy. And look, it's drying with some length. It's not a lot of shrinkage like I normally get with the Eco Styler gels. Deja really enjoyed her hair, but she didn't enjoy it as much as her extreme wet line because that's her favorite gel. This is day 2. This is the end of the day. Next day hair. And my hair is very soft. Very soft. It's big like I like it, but I could use a little more curls here. And it has stretch, it has pain. Normally my hair has more shrinkage. I pulled in a low ponytail last night before I went to bed. And then when I got up, it was more flat. And so I pulled up in a high ponytail for about 30 minutes and then I let it back down. It can use some more shine, and it kind of has like a dull look. Okay, today is day 3. It still feels soft. to put it in a low bun last night as the suggestion of Deja. And then when I took it out this morning, I put it in a high ponytail. It wasn't, no, actually I had it in a low bun, but it was giving me a headache, and then I took it loose and I put it up in a high ponytail. And then I took it out today. It braided hair, and I'm still liking it. Like, it don't have to be super defined, like every single curl, but I have some volume. It's not flat to my head, and I have some length. So, and it's soft, it's touchable. Overall, I like this gel. I will be keeping it in our product stash rotation. I even went and brought a bigger tub. I want to try it on Shauma's hair as well. I want to try it on my hair with some other leave-ins and without leave-in conditioner. So thank you for watching this video. Thumbs it up if you like it, share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Lord, say the same.